Day 3 at sea, we're on our own private island. Blue, I don't even know what it's called. Crescent Moon Island. Private island. There's our boat, right back there. I'm gonna walk all the way around to the other side if I can. I've been walking forever and I still have far to go. Away from everyone. Everyone's way back there. No one wants to walk this distance. I heard you could walk horses on the beach. There they are. Next to horses on a private island in the Bahamas. It's turquoise water. I really hope it shows in the video how beautiful this is. Everyone's way back there. No one's as motivated as I am to get to the end of this island. This is different than just the beach, which is right there. I'm heading up these little cliffs to get to the other side. This was totally worth it. Look at this magical lava cove that I'm in. Lava rocks, a very exclusive private beach, which I will now sunbathe in the nude. Look at this amazing little beach. There to there, this is it. I had to walk all the way around to get to this spot. Further from the beach I was just at, a bigger beach right at the end of this. I'm so happy I went off the beaten path from everyone else that has to deal with everyone else, and I have my own private beach here. Running naked in the Bahamas and just experiencing this private beach within a private island is a pretty magical thing. The water's so warm, it's definitely an experience I will never forget.